Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let's see how to make Kothavarangai usili or cluster beans lentil sabzi without separately steaming it. To 1 cup water, I am adding half kilo cluster beans. We are going to cover and cook it until it is done. Half a cup chana dal soaked in water for 1 hour and drained. Quarter cup toor dal soaked in water for 1 hour and drained. I have spicy dry red chillies soaked in water for 1 hour. Salt, pinch of asafoetida or hing. Blend coarse without adding water. Now heat 1/4 cup oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds and 1 dry red chilli, some curry leaves. Now I am adding the blended paste and give it a good mix and add turmeric powder and salt. Stir on a high flame for 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons water. Cover and cook on a very low flame for 2 minutes. Now make a well in the middle. Add 2 tablespoons oil and add the boiled cluster beans or gawar and mix it well. Now cover and cook it for about 7 minutes, stirring often in between. After 7 minutes, the sabzi is ready. It's so soft, look at the texture. Yummy too, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, press the like button, comment and let us know how we did, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you so much.